PALI stock, PALI stock, let's talk about it. PALI stock has rallied from a low of 171 to a high of 383 in just one trading day. It's interesting that the stock is now about 100% up from where it was the previous day. So from 171, this stock is now at about $3.51. If you multiply 171 by 2, you'll get $3.42. So basically, the stock is right now at almost exactly 100% where it was yesterday, and that is no mistake. That's because algorithms right here are trading PALI, and that causes the PALI stock price to go up exactly 100% from the previous day low. Now, how can we use this in order to trade better and in order to make money on PALI? As you know, I've called over 120 short squeezes in the past year, including PYXS, TRKA. We have EVGO most recently, I called yesterday, and we're up about 10 grand, which only took us about 4 hours of our time in our pro group on Discord. Make sure to join that as soon as you can. For any trader serious about making money in the stock market, they need to be a part of the pro group. But on PALI, the way that we would trade this in the pro group is taking a look at the current price, seeing that the price has already run up 100%, and then taking into account that the price from here can go up another measured move. So not necessarily 100%, but maybe 25% or 50%. So if the stock price right now is at $3.42, then we first want to think, okay, where can we actually buy this to where we have a high chance of success? And the answer is around $3.20. So $3.20 is a little bit below the fair value of the stock. If the stock is trending at $3.42 right now, then at $3.20, we're likely to get at least a revisit of $3.42. Therefore, we can make about 7 to 8% off of the stock just trading from $3.20 to $3.42. But where can the stock go from there? Well, if the stock holds the level, then I can see the stock coming up almost to $4, maybe like $3.80. If the stock does break $4, that's when things start to get interesting, because PALI does have resistance at higher levels, but if you actually look at the chart here, it doesn't encounter its next resistance point until 451. So PALI, if it pushes past $4, will not encounter serious resistance until about $4.50. So if you're going to trade PALI, where I would take profits on PALI is right before this $4 level, so around $3.79 or around $3.98. And I would look for a break of $4. Okay, that's the first thing I would look for if I was trading this in the pro group. I would look for a break of $4. If we get a break of $4 on PALI, then the stock can trend to $4.29. One more time, guys, this is not a call out. I actually have plenty of call outs in the pro Discord, which my traders are using to make thousands and tens of thousands of dollars, where you can actually see the profits right here. But on PALI, because I want to help you trade it, if you're trading this stock, I'm going to tell you exactly what I would do if I was trading this stock. I would wait for it to break $4, okay, on the upside, and then I would start taking profits around $4.20. I would sell shares before $4, closing most of my position, and then once the stock breaks $4, I would look to maybe add more if the stock holds the level, and then sell at around $4.29 and take profits again at around $4.47. If the stock doesn't break the level of $4, then I will probably close my position at around $4 or wherever the stock dumps to, because at that point, at a rejection of $4, PALI will probably climax, meaning the stock will start to dump, and we never want to be a part of a stock dump. That's how traders end up in Bed Bath & Beyond. That's how traders end up in AMC. We've had traders lose $100,000 trading stocks like Bed Bath & Beyond, and now they come to our trading group and they realize that this is the one way they can get their money back, because we're consistently profitable. We go into the stock market again and again, finding winners, which I find for you. I find you the winning stocks, and I also show you how to trade them, just like I am with PALI. But PALI is not the best stock to trade. The stock can definitely go up a lot, which is why I'm even touching on it at all. I don't like to touch on stocks that have zero chance of going up or that I wouldn't buy at all. Otherwise, traders will take this and they'll use it as a buy signal and lose money. And your money is just as important as my money, at least when it comes to advice that I give you here. Even though this is not financial advice, I know that traders will watch this and they'll be affected by what I say here. And so it's my responsibility to be very clear that PALI, while I'm not saying to buy it, can definitely go up further from where it is right now. I like the way that the chart looks. I like the consolidation. I can see the stock going up to about $4. If it breaks $4, I can see it going to $4.29. And of course, if it breaks $4.50, then I think we may even get $5 on PALI. But it's not my favorite stock. It's not the safest stock. I like safe stocks where I can get a 10%, 20%, or even 100% increase, but with almost no risk. Because PALI has run already, if I was getting the stock around 150, sure, I would trade the stock and I would get 100% win. But if I was to enter the stock now, and by me, I mean you, I would be really careful to take my profits quickly because the trend is now mid-trend, meaning that if you buy now, you're risking the stock dumping all the way back down to the entry price and losing 25 to 50% on the trade. The number one thing I want you to take away from this video is not to bag hold. Don't bag hold PALI. Don't bag hold Bed Bath & Beyond. Don't bag hold AMC. Make sure that you sell your positions when they aren't working out, or you're going to end up averaging down, hoping that the stock will go back up, but there's no guarantee that the stock will ever go back up. My name is Coach Coda. I'm your day trading coach. I've been helping you be consistently profitable since the beginning. I have a Discord that you can join right now, as well as a pro Discord where you can actually receive my winning callouts every single trading day, as well as get mentorship from me so that you can be a professional trader. I hope you guys join me in the Discord and the link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?